Starting your Amazon FBA journey is exciting, but let's be honest, it can also feel overwhelming. With a million things to juggle, like product research, listing optimization, inventory management, and marketing, it's easy to get lost in the chaos. Amazon seller tools are designed to help you streamline your processes, boost efficiency, and ultimately scale your Amazon FBA business with ease. The right tools give you access to real-time analytics, keyword insights, and powerful automation features that boost sales and save you time and money. Whether you're into private label selling, retail arbitrage, or online arbitrage, there's a tool tailored to help you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. From free beginner-friendly options to advanced paid solutions, these platforms give you the edge to grow faster and sell better. In this video, we'll break down the top 5 Amazon seller tools you need right now to stay ahead of the competition and crush it on Amazon. We will also provide you with the best, most trusted, and most affordable alternative platform where you can get the best Amazon FBA experts who will help you manage all your Amazon FBA journey professionally if you decide not to go about it yourself at all. So, stick around until the end of the video to discover the right toolkit that will change your entire Amazon FBA journey forever. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and also check the description below to try any of these tools for free. Now, let's dive in as we share with you the top 5 best Amazon seller tools currently available on the market right now. Number 5. AMZScout. Best Amazon seller tool for beginner-friendly products and competitor research. If you're a new seller or side hustler eager to break into the world of Amazon FBA without feeling overwhelmed, AMZScout simplifies product research, helping you find profitable niches without overwhelming complexity. With AMZScout's powerful product and competitor research features, you can easily identify hot-selling items, analyze demand trends, and avoid high-competition markets, ensuring that you make smart, data-driven decisions from the start. Whether you're looking to launch your first private label brand or flip trending products as a side hustle, AMZScout provides all the insights you need to succeed with confidence. For instance, if you're considering selling eco-friendly water bottles, AMZScout will show you the exact demand, competition level, and profit potential before you even invest in inventory. Additionally, AMZScout's competitor analysis tool allows you to spy on top-selling Amazon sellers, uncover their pricing strategies, and discover untapped opportunities, ensuring that you always stay ahead in the market. With step-by-step FBA training and a supportive seller community, AMZScout eliminates the guesswork, making it the ideal starting point for new Amazon entrepreneurs. Number 4. Getida. Best for automated FBA reimbursement and lost inventory recovery. For Amazon sellers handling high-volume FBA inventory and battling with lost, damaged, or miscalculated inventory costs, Getida is the ultimate Amazon seller tool for automating FBA reimbursements and lost inventory recovery. With Amazon's complex reimbursement policies and strict claim submission deadlines, it's easy to miss out on money owed to you. To solve this, Getida scans your account, detects discrepancies, and automatically files claims on your behalf, ensuring that every dollar Amazon owes you is recovered without you lifting a finger. Whether you're selling electronics, apparel, or fast-moving consumer goods, Getida gives you a financial safety net, helping you maximize your margins and scale more effectively. What makes Getida the best choice for inventory recovery is its powerful AI-driven auditing system that continuously scans your account for inventory errors, shipment discrepancies, and incorrect fee charges. For example, if you sell fitness gear and Amazon misplaces a batch of resistance bands, Getida will instantly detect the issue and submit a reimbursement request. Since Amazon's FBA process can be unpredictable, with thousands of units moving in and out, Getida's automated system gives you peace of mind by handling reimbursements at scale so you can focus on growing your business instead of chasing down refunds. When it comes to pricing, Getida operates on a pay-for-performance model, meaning you only pay when they successfully recover funds for you. This makes it completely risk-free, as you pay nothing if no money is recovered. With highly accurate claim filing, seamless automation, and a performance-based pricing model, Getida is hands down the best tool for keeping your FBA reimbursements in check and maximizing your bottom line. Number 3. SmartScout. Best for Amazon wholesalers, retail arbitrage sellers, and bulk buyers. If you're an Amazon wholesaler, retail arbitrage seller, or a bulk buyer, SmartScout is the ultimate tool to help you find profitable wholesale opportunities with advanced brand and supplier scouting features, helping you partner with brands, analyze their performance, and source inventory more profitably. Unlike typical Amazon product research tools that focus on private label sellers, SmartScout is designed specifically for wholesale sourcing, allowing you to identify brands open to wholesale partnerships, analyze supplier relationships, and pinpoint high-demand, low-competition products. Whether you specialize in bulk electronics, branded home goods, or popular beauty products, SmartScout helps you spot untapped supplier deals before your competitors do, giving you an edge in the fast-moving wholesale market. Imagine you're looking to source branded kitchen appliances in bulk, instead of manually reaching out to different suppliers or relying on outdated databases. SmartScout lets you filter through thousands of brands, check their Amazon presence, and see if they allow third-party resellers. You can also analyze category-level data, competitor sales trends, and fulfillment strategies to ensure you're making data-backed wholesale decisions. If you're in retail arbitrage, SmartScout helps you track brand restrictions and compliance issues, ensuring that you only invest in products you can legally and profitably resell on Amazon. For pricing, the SmartScout Basic Plan is ideal for new wholesalers looking to test the waters with supplier research and brand analysis tools. The Essentials and Business Plans unlock more detailed supplier information, product performance insights, and multi-marketplace tracking. With SmartScout's cutting-edge wholesale scouting technology, you can source smarter, scale faster, and dominate the Amazon wholesale game like never before. Number 2. JumbleScout. Best for finding winning products with low competition and high profit margins. With its industry-leading intelligent product research and sales estimation accuracy, JumbleScout gives you real-time insights into sales trends, competition levels, and profit potential, allowing you to confidently pick winning products. Whether you're launching a private label brand, engaging in retail arbitrage, or selling wholesale, JumbleScout eliminates the guesswork by providing accurate sales estimates, demand forecasting, and competition analysis, ensuring that every product you choose is backed by solid data. One of the most powerful features of JumbleScout is its product research suite, which includes the product database, opportunity finder, and Chrome extension. For example, if you want to sell eco-friendly kitchenwares, instead of manually browsing thousands of listings, JumbleScout lets you filter products by demand, competition, and revenue potential in seconds. The Opportunity Finder highlights niche products with rising demand but low competition, giving you a head start before the market gets saturated. With the JumbleScout Accurate Sales Estimator, you can see how much competitors are selling per month, helping you make data-driven decisions before investing in inventory. JumbleScout's review automation tool also streamlines the process of requesting customer reviews, ensuring a steady flow of social proof for your products. By automating Amazon's Request a Review feature, you eliminate the need for manual requests, enhancing your product's credibility, improving its ranking in search results, and driving higher conversion rates. With better ratings and social validation, potential buyers are more confident in your product, ultimately leading to increased sales and business growth. No matter your experience level, JumbleScout gives you the competitive edge needed to succeed on Amazon. Number 1. Helium 10. Best all-in-one Amazon selling suite with AI-driven insights to dominate your niche. If you're serious about starting or scaling your Amazon business and dominating your niche for longer periods, Helium 10's data-driven research, automation, and listing tools help you scale faster and stay ahead of the competition, especially for newbies who have zero knowledge about how Amazon FBA works, and experts who have little or no time to juggle multiple software for Amazon. Designed for private label and white label sellers, Helium 10 combines AI-driven insights with advanced keyword research, listing optimization, competitor analysis, and automation tools to give you a massive advantage in the marketplace. Whether you're launching a new product, trying to outrank competitors, or automating your Amazon business, Helium 10 streamlines every aspect of selling so you can focus on growing your revenue. Unlike basic seller tools, Helium 10 provides real-time data and predictive analytics, helping you make smarter product decisions that maximize profitability. At the core of Helium 10's power is its industry-leading suite of tools, including Black Box for product research, Cerebro for deep keyword analysis, and Magnet for finding keyword opportunities. Imagine you want to sell wireless fitness headphones on Amazon. Instead of blindly guessing what keywords to target, the Helium 10 Cerebro reverse engineers your competitors' strategies, revealing high-volume, low-competition search terms that will boost your ranking. With Helium 10 Scribbles and Listing Analyzer tool, you can optimize your product listings with AI-driven recommendations, ensuring you capture maximum organic traffic. Plus, Helium 10's automation features like follow-up for customer engagement and Atomic for PPC campaign management help you scale efficiently while saving time. Helium 10 offers multiple plans to fit different seller needs. The starter plan is perfect for beginners looking to test the platform with basic keyword and product research. The Platinum plan is ideal for growing sellers, providing full access to listing optimization, advanced keyword tools, and competitor tracking. The Diamond plan unlocks automated PPC management, AI-driven insights, and team collaboration tools, making it the best choice for scaling brands and high-volume sellers. No matter your level, Helium 10 gives you everything you need to dominate your niche, rank higher, and maximize sales on Amazon. In addition, if you're stepping into the world of Amazon FBA selling, but feel overwhelmed by the tools, systems, and strategies required to succeed, especially if you have no technical knowledge or time to learn them, Fiverr Pro is an incredibly smart place to start. Instead of trying to master Amazon seller tools on your own, you can outsource those complex functions to seasoned professionals who live and breathe Amazon success. On Fiverr Pro, you'll find verified experts who can handle everything from product research and keyword optimization to listing creation, inventory and PPC campaign management, competitor analysis, plus content design, FBA shipment planning, and even store setup or troubleshooting. These freelancers are handpicked for their proven performance, and many come with case studies or client testimonials that show tangible results, giving you a level of assurance you simply won't find on open marketplaces. In conclusion, choosing the right Amazon seller tools is the most important step in your FBA journey. These tools help you handle everything from product research to inventory management and profit recovery, giving you the edge to grow smarter and sell better. And if you'd rather not do it alone, Fiverr Pro connects you with vetted Amazon experts who can manage your store professionally. So, whether you're a do-it-yourself seller or ready to outsource, there's a solution to help you dominate your niche and scale your business with confidence. You can check the link in the description below to try any of these Amazon seller tools for free. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future uploads.